Let's learn AWS. Today, I will show you how you can interact with your Java Lambda function by using command line interface of AWS. There is Java code in my GitHub repository which I have used to read SQS messages and write SQS messages. I import that into IntelliJ editor. Here is AWS CLI argument which you can use to read information of a Lambda function. Get function argument will also give you a link with which you can download jar file used in your Lambda. This is the output of Java Lambda code in AWS. It's a simple function that replies with a string hello. Let's list the details of this Lambda with AWS CLI. Here is an example CLI call that I found in CLI help instead of installed on my machine. But when I executed the command, I faced not authorized error. Go to AWS IAM page, Identity and Access Management, and provide necessary access to your user. If you get resource not found exception, then check the region that you mentioned in AWS configure command and compare it with AWS region where the Lambda is created. Now I am able to successfully get details of Lambda function. We will next attempt to upload a jar file from AWS CLI. Here is an example from AWS CLI help. Only two arguments is what you have to provide. One, name of the Lambda, and two, zip file path. From IntelliJ, which is my code editor, I executed maven package command. See that it created a jar file with all dependencies. And then I execute AWS CLI command to upload jar file. Let me know in comments. Do you know how to invoke Lambda test event with AWS CLI instead of AWS test client on browser?